Hi guys, myself, Siddharth, and I welcome you to my channel.
Hello, myself Jessica. Today we are going to discuss about the word self-esteem.
So, without any further delay, let's get started. Meaning of the word self-esteem in English means confidence in one's own worth or abilities. Self-respect.
Meaning of the word self-esteem in Hindi means
आत्मसम्मान या फिर गौरव.
So guys, let's understand this word by framing some sentences.
1. Assertiveness, training for those with low self-esteem. 2. Thomas, by his own admission, was extremely negative and had low self-esteem. 3. The events for primary school age children aim to boost young people's confidence and self-esteem.
Thank you Jessica for explaining me. Guys, I hope you have also understood the meaning of self-esteem in Hindi as well as in English language.
This is for today, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.